Hello everyone. Today is quiz day, but before the quiz, we are going to do a quick review of the key concepts for each section of Chapter 15, starting with Lesson 1, Earth's Atmosphere, which was 15.1. First, remember that properties of the atmosphere include its composition, its relative humidity, its temperature, and air pressure. Next, relative humidity is the ratio of water vapor that air contains to the maximum amount that it could at that given temperature. Air pressure is the force exerted by air on the area below it. Next, the main layers of the atmosphere include the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Movement of air within the troposphere is largely responsible for our weather. Next, the stratosphere, the layer above the troposphere, contains the ozone layer. The ozone layer is responsible for helping us deflect the harmful effects of UV radiation. Lastly, the process that affects weather in the troposphere includes heat transfer and the interaction of air masses. Remember, key terms for that section was conduction, convection, convection currents, and radiation. Review of Lesson 2. Pollution of the atmosphere. Air pollution can be caused by natural processes such as dust storms and human activities such as the combustion of fossil fuels. Remember, air pollutants can damage the respiratory system, interfering with the body's uptake of oxygen, and can also result in cancer. Temperature inversions may trap smog and prevent pollutants from dispersing. Lastly, acid deposition results when products of combustion combine with water and other substances in the atmosphere. Lesson 3, Controlling Air Pollution. We learned in Lesson 3 that the Clean Air Act has provisions that have reduced air pollution in the United States. For example, the Act limits the emissions of pollutants and sets standards for air quality. The ozone hole in the area of lowered ozone concentration over Antarctica that occurs every year from August to October. Nations have taken steps to deal with the problem of ozone loss in the stratosphere, and we've seen positive results in the last several years. Lastly, the Montreal Protocol is an international treaty that has dramatically reduced production of CFCs, the chemicals linked to the development of the ozone hole. Evidence indicates that the ozone layer is beginning to recover. Good luck on your quiz, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.